So I have an error code P0475, exhaust back pressure valve malfunction or something like that. Anyway, it points to the sensor for the exhaust back pressure, possibly the hose that connects to it. So I'm going to replace both of those items because this is a early 99 and neither have ever been replaced. 1/2 inch ratchet extension, and the 1 inch is on the sensor, and I have a 9/16 wrench down below. Turn this, the whole thing turns. I think I'm just bending the bracket. Uh-oh. Came loose. Ow, 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 ow. Engine's hot. Engine's hot. Clamp back where it belongs. Alright, first look at this thing. It's dirty. As expected. I don't know if it's operational or not. Looks the same. They want you to make sure that you confirm the fitment before opening, because they're not accepting returns once you open the bag, and I can understand that because people will send back the old one and say it doesn't work. Looks like a match. Alright, so the hose. I'm on the bottom looking up on the right side of the engine from the front, and there is the nasty looking connector on the other end coming off the exhaust manifold. Alright, so the bottom's fighting me, but I got it somewhat loose, but it doesn't want to break free. It's going to be a rusty torque all the way around. So the top, I got to put a 9/16 and a 16mm on here and stick them through the fan. I'm going to take the belt off so I have a little more room to breathe, but right now I'm not getting it. I don't have a crow's foot, which would be ideal for this, but for $60 for a set, I'm holding off on that right at the moment. Alright, the belt out of the way, 9/16 is on top, 16mm on the bottom, and maybe I can make it move. Well, I thought I was recording that. Top broke free pretty easy. So I'm going to go down to the bottom, and the bottom one's going to be the one that's going to be a challenge. Okay, now some proper lighting. You can see the sensor right there, connector. And it's got to slowly crank that rusty sucker back off. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, if I get it focused, but this hose is no more. It doesn't focus right there. I can't tell if it's in or not. It's too close to my face. But look at that. That's the hose. I have no idea what happened there. It don't look very good. Alright, time to get this thing off. Alright, so I got the bottom part off. The bottom. It's supposed to be a one-piece hose here. There's just, it looks like a little hair piece was maybe connected. The rest of it's been gone for some time. Nice. And there's the top piece. And there's some soot in there, but I think the bigger issue is that it's not even connected. Alright, there's a new and improved design, I think. Looks like Ford changed a little bit of the angle on it. I'm hoping the truck does a bit of a performance improvement after this is done. I'm just going to feed it from the top down. Oh, come on. Okay, I got it going. There we go. This one gets started. Let's see how it lines up. Alright, got it on. It didn't go on too bad. A lot easier than going off. And it looks like it runs snugly right up the side there. Trying to figure out why it burned out where it did. I can't see a reason for it. And there's a new one from up top. And you can finally see the little bracket that holds it in place. And the sensor just goes right on top there. So, fitment. I'm not really sure how you can confirm the 100% confirm the fitment till you take it out and try to get it installed. It looks like it. There we go. Spin, baby, spin. Spinning on there. Go, 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 go. And there it is. There's no reason to like go crazy torquing as hard as you can. Just get it snug. I forget which way it goes. There we go. That's what I thought. Make sure everything, the belt's lined up on everything. And there we go. Time to take it for a test drive. I don't want any surprises when I'm trying to go to work in the morning. I like to get it over with now. No check engine light. I didn't have a service engine soon, nothing like that. My issues I think are associated with this was a cold start. It was gutless, totally gutless. Now I haven't driven it in, let's see, about 4.5 hours. Of course the block still has some heat in it. This thing stay warm half the day. Alright, the engine, it's still down. It hasn't reached a normal range. It's still kind of cold. Let's go this way. Okay, it moves. Wow. It's going a lot faster than it would. Now, like I said, it's not totally cold, but it is cooled off quite a bit. It'd be wonderful if I get more mileage out of it than it was. Now, I guess the sensor was reading no back pressure. The tube was practically torn in half. I don't know what that really would, how that would change, how the computer's going to change fuel delivery and whatnot. It seems to have more throttle response. A lot more throttle response. Wow. Alright, good morning. Now it's a very cold truck. Cold as it gets. Alright. That feels like it's moving pretty good. The real test is when I get out here and have to get on the main road. Right now it feels like it's got some kick. Right here, let's go. Wow. It goes. Normally I would have to just put the foot in and it just crawls. Like crawl. Maybe the torque converter was just slipping so much when it's cold. Alright, I'm thoroughly impressed. Sorry about the camera shaking, but it's not a perfectly balanced truck. Throttle response, even at hot, is much improved. If I want to like accelerate, put my foot on the gas a little bit and go, it goes. The exhaust sounds different. It's actually quieter doing a cruise. Under load, under acceleration, it sounds, it's hard to describe, but it does sound different. I don't know if I should be mad or glad that this is fixed, because it's a mixture of both. That I've went this long, and now it's rolling. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the mileage report's going to look like.